selection criteria swaps the aesthetics of male and female. The female wears masculine clothes. The male is garbed in a sponsored skirt shorts and a crop top adorned with lace ribbons. They resemble string. The female is caught in an asymmetrical ball of sleeveless shirt paired with white pants. The examples are made of patterned Inabel and lace this. This collection is of Batac creativity, industry, and ingenuity. The design is inspired by the diligence, bravery, and rich culture of fellow Bataceños. She chose the color red in a bell fabric, which sparkling gold accent each best complements the models. The design for the female model is inspired by the women of Batac, with the same lure in mind. It did not show some skin because she believed that the women of Batac is still a modest woman. When it comes to fashion, the little red newswear is accessorized to the skirts and gowns. The joyful and hospitality in our city. The design for the female model shows the exclusivity of life. As we all know, one of the main sources of the income in our society, farming. It shows how diligent our farmers are showing strong arms and biceps, while the inner calf symbolizes the uniqueness of the people in Batac. Sleep, loyalty, failure. These words must describe the next collection. The female model is wearing a Johnson, inspired by Johnson, is invested by doublets and braided belt on the upper thighs. The look is completed with a sheer triangular punch-like collar. Favoring is evident with the presence of the collar. The example serves the completion of empowered women, confident in gold and beauty. The male model is wearing a male-decorated pants. The topper is a vast extended shoe. Underneath is a corset. A garment with the identified with women. This ensemble exudes masculinity and bracing femininity. The Bataceña is bold and beautiful. The Bataceña is strong and sensitive. Halloween envision a high-fashion street casual outfit draws inspiration from the solemnity of a food or dinner, bringing gorgeous elegance with luxury street casual outfit. Start with a black dress layered over a velvet style, blending casual and formal elements. A tailor is a magical in about textiles and structure, while showing formal footwear ground as a requirement. The design of the luminous harmony from this style symbolizes love, respect, and elegance, making it a pointed choice for funerals. Its delicate red flowers symbolize innocence and a gentle spirit, offering comfort in during a time of war. Minimalist accessories exaggerate the color, enhance the aesthetic creating between balance, investigation, and streetwear that delves into the theme all different. This style allows individuals to express vulnerability and strength, blending the intimate and high fashion with the rawness of personal experience. Farewell to the old fashioned and say hi to the new era of high fashion street casual. And yellows and Manila oranges with the dependable constructed news. The city of Batac is a kaleidoscope of bold, vivid colors. The male model roams contemporary silhouettes, blue cargo pants intersected with orange Inabel pockets, hooded orange Inabel top layer with a box crop top yellow vest. The female model wears a yellow Inabel ensemble with a top-like tassel skirt. This creation transformed into an orange halter top and a short, vibrant, and transforming. This collection mirrors my past pride and progressive future. By trained artisans to be Inabel cloth, which is well known for its durability and distinctive designs. This craft has been passed down through the years. This fabric's integration into a high-end streetwear item emphasizes the wearer's ties to the Black City's rich cultural heritage by fusing traditional weaving methods with cutting-edge design. Men wear a tailored jacket and trousers, and women wear a tailored dress. This artwork by Marvel J. Marsan portrays the Alpha generation, which value high fashion. Young people can create a beneficial impact on the world by using it as a form of self-expression, fostering variety, inclusivity, and innovation. Kenpapan cinta inama, papan met pagpalutan latang. Domingo ti Aldao Agenda, Domingo Alokado at Palinutan. This collection's concept is Sunday's Best, a modern take of the Ilocano's specialty. Fashion from Inabel and Danny. The collection exudes both history and modernity. Nana's mermaid cat skirt looks comfortable and sexy at the same time. The crop top is a perfect for the long sleeves underneath. Tata's
Kaklase ni Abby.
is functional and sexy too. The
kay
boxer jacket
Andeta.
and shorts spell silent confidence. Tata and Nana's Sunday's Best. Sadyay Chendaman
Ping-pong
and
na yan,
Pagpalinutan.
Power. Step. marble na guy. Nice.
Accompanied by Marble Resort.
Say hi. Congrats.
One, Hansen Magada. Artist drawn by Brian Paul Magallanes. Well designed by Marble J. Marzal.
Gawin apa dah kami ito. Dinalada nga model ito. Ha? Bueno. Sige.
Curves and Lines by Fleet John Railway.
Ana.
Baka mawala na wag na hiling. Bigla mo ayos niya ang
State University, Ilocos and Inabel. Together with the students from the United University of India, wearing their traditional Indian attire.
Pilipino na lang. Rated ko ngayon muna.
Attire for girls, the sari, an iconic and elegant garment that has been staple in Indian fashion for centuries. A sari is a long piece of fabric gracefully draped around the body, showcasing the rich textiles and intricate designs of India. It's more than just a dress. It's a work of art that reflects the wearer's personality and original heritage. Next is an essential in Indian women's fashion. It is the salwar suit. This attire combines a long tunic or kameez with loose-fitting salwar trousers, topped off with a dupatta draped gracefully over the shoulder. It's both functional and fashionable, perfect for their daily wear as well as special occasions, and is worn by girls and women of all ages. Another traditional costume. What makes the Indian traditional costume so unique is their ability to blend comfort, elegance, and cultural identity. Whether it's the simplicity of the kurta pajama, the timeless grace of sari, or the versatile charm of salwar suit, Indian attire reflects a beautiful fusion of history and modernity. We also have here the boys' traditional wear, the classic kurta pajama. This outfit is a symbol of comfort and simplicity, yet it carries an air of sophistication. The kurta is a long, flowing tunic paired with comfortable pajama trousers. It is worn by boys across India during festivals, weddings, and cultural gatherings, representing both elegance and ease in style. As we move through today's show, let's admire not just the fabrics and designs, but also the cultural stories woven into every garment. These costumes represent the heart and soul, diverse, colorful, and full of life. Once again, the Inabel 2024 Fashion Show.
And 5, 6, 7, 8, start!
table tennis yung tabay na. Awan ka muna. Nanti basket table tennis.